Hey, Panda Gang! Welcome back to another wild adventure!
Hope you're hungry, because today's story is delicious!
A royal invitation from Queen Moose. You're invited to cook at the royal feast.
That means
Too
royal
salty
food.
already! Too spicy for my taste!
Perfect now! Welcome, the famous chefs of the jungle!
It's an honor, Your Majesty.
We brought our
Delicious!
recipe.
This is truly a feast for royalty!
We call it the Jungle Surprise.
Made with love
My
and...
fries are on fire!
Don't panic, cover it!
My tail! My beautiful tail!
What bravery! You turned disaster into perfection!
It's all teamwork, Your Majesty.
And extra fries.
Cooking from the heart always wins.
You've earned this with kindness, courage, and flavor.
We'll keep serving with love.
And maybe dessert.
Kindness makes you royal! And sharing makes you king!
That's it for today's adventure, Panda Gang!
Don't forget your ice cream and your smile.
Hit that subscribe button and join the gang